Even though this is a pretty big backpack, but when I put this on, I feel like it's with me. And for the back, it supports right on my hip and on the top of the shoulder. So if I carrying heavy weight, I kind of load it on me, so feel like the shoulder doesn't feel a lot of stress because it got very thick padding, and also it comes with the top like this and cover the shoulder all the way. This is 511 Rush 72 2.0. This is 55 liters capacity. I'd say that it should be a 3 days backpack. The fabric is 1050D nylon, very durable. You can hear from the sound. It's not soft. It's super strong. And let's check it out. This is the front. The material inside is lined, so if the rain is not so heavy, should be alright. No water will go in. And this is the mesh is very strong. This is the, you can put a pen inside, name cards, whatever, and there's a lot of room. This is another one. Also, this is lined material and water resistance. This is another one, and this is the front part. And the front, on the top, on the side, they got a lot of mollies. You can put stuff in here. It's like flashlight, whatever stuff, and you can use this system to put wherever you want it. And let's see right here. So here actually this is very easy to take out like this. You just remove the clip. Alright, you open the big area. You can put your clothes inside. You can put your clothes that's already wet inside because it's already water repellent. The clip is very strong. You can hear the sound. And here is another secret area. You see that inside. And let's check the top. This is a small area, and still you can see through what's inside. And this is the main part. You got plenty of room, top, medium, very big area, and including the bottom. You can put stuff in. You can easily put your laptop in here. And on the side, there is another storage room. You can put something longer inside here, right? A lot of room right here. And the same on the other side. And besides that, you can put your stuff on the side of the molly. You see that the side is even wider. They got 5 slots of the molly. And this is the back. The pad is very thick, very strong. Also right here. Extra padded area that give you enough support, and here the air can go. And if you don't really need this one, you can put this one inside right here. But I think for the bag this big, it should be pretty heavy, and I'd better leave this one outside. Alright, this is 511 Rush 72 backpack. Hopefully this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.